Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to change your password in the Candy Crush game app. If you want to keep your account secure or update your password, this video will guide you through the process easily and clearly, so you can continue enjoying the game. First, open the Candy Crush game app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the settings icon. Then, tap on Account and Help. After that, click on My Account. After that, find and click on Change Your Password. You will be prompted to enter your current password first, so type it carefully. Once done, click on Submit to proceed. Next, enter your new password in the designated field. Make sure it is strong and secure. Then, confirm the new password by typing it again to avoid any mistakes. Finally, click on Change Password to save your new credentials. You have now successfully updated your Candy Crush account password. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.